Welcome to Foodland, where we are going to bring my kitchen to yours. So it's a morning breakfast recipe. Normally when we wake up in the morning and you have to rush for the work, you always have question, oh, how can I make a quick and easy recipe and very healthy recipe? So that's my intention for today's recipe, and let's get started, guys. And we are going to make avocado toast recipe, and here are the ingredients. Of course, we need avocado, and I just wanted to make sure that we all know that what is the ripe avocado and the one which is ready for the toast. So the one which looks darker, that is the one which is ready, and we are going to use this one. Again, as you see, this is a green colored, so this is not ready. Maybe it will be ready in two to 3 days. So I'm not gonna use it. I just wanted to make sure you know this. Green chilies, lemon. I have boiled eggs. I'm gonna top it up, but if you're not eating eggs, it's totally fine. You can skip it. Red or white onion. I love white onion, so that's for sure for me. Again, main ingredient is bread and butter for toasting purposes, and black pepper and salt. So let's get started, guys. So welcome back again, and I have the peeled avocado, and I roughly chopped around quarter of onion, 1 green chili. If you like more, please add it. And I cut half of the lemon. So let's mash this one. Alright, so this is how it looks, and if you do not have this masher, then you can simply use the fork. So I'm going to mash it up a little bit, and let's add all the ingredients. So here it goes, some onion and all the green chilies. Make sure you wash your hands. And this goes the black pepper and salt to taste. And this fresh baby goes in there. Squeeze the lemon. All right, mix it well. And the spread is already ready, guys. At this point, I'm going to toast my bread on the skillet, and we are almost there to eat. Here it looks like the spread is ready, and we have the eggs here. And that's it. I'm going to toast my bread. You can toast your bread either in the toaster or on a skillet, but I love the buttery, toasty flavor on the skillet, so I'm going to do it that way. One is excited who can't even eat avocado, but I think he's smelling the bread. And there's some butter here. Spread it on the bread. If you do not eat butter or do not want to eat butter, you can totally skip that. Just toast it in the toaster and you're ready to go. Alright, so this is how it looks. It's like a brownish toasty flavor, and if you see there is a crisp here, that's what I like about the toasting part. So this is the toast, as you can see, some eggs and the layering spread. So let's do it. Spread it. I love avocado. God, it's so healthy. All right, and that's it, guys. That's it, foodies.
Oh,
and
stop
here you go.
Stop making recipes.
Oh my God.
What's next?
This is your breakfast.
Oh,
here you go.
Let's try it.
How is it?
I love that lemony citrus flavor.
Perfect, and that's the freshness we need in the morning to get started our day.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I never thought I would say this, but I actually like avocado on toast. I think we should make this a new Sunday morning thing.
Absolutely, I can make it every day if you want. That's a quick and easy one, so I'm in.
I'll be fine with that.
Awesome.
Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye. Oh yeah.
Eat healthy, be happy. thanks for visiting Foodland once again, and see you next time. Bye. Stay tuned.
Bye.